朝早6點，香港電台最新一節風暴消息。8號西北烈風或暴風信號現正生效，預料本港吹西北風，平均風速每小時63公里或以上。喺上晝6點，超強颱風蘇拉集結喺香港東南偏東約250公里，即係北緯21.6度、東經116.5度附近。預料向西北偏西移動，時速約10公里，移向廣東東部沿岸。蘇拉嘅眼壁完整，環流緊密。隨住蘇拉繼續靠近本港，今日稍後天氣將急速轉壞，有狂風大驟雨，風勢猛烈。8號烈風或暴風信號會喺今日大部分時間維持。按照現時預測路徑，蘇拉會喺今晚至到聽朝相當接近本港，喺香港以南100公里內掠過。天文台會視乎本地風力變化，考慮係咪需要發出更高嘅熱帶氣旋警告信號。受風暴潮影響，沿岸低洼地區嘅水位今晚將會急速上升，可能出現嚴重水浸，海面有巨浪及湧浪，市民應該遠離岸邊，切勿進行水上活動。有關最新嘅天氣消息，請留意香港電台喺15分、30分、45分以及踏正嘅報導。
6 o'clock in the morning, Hong Kong Observatory's latest typhoon update. The number 8 northwest gale or storm signal is in force. This means that winds with mean speeds of 63 km per hour or more are expected from the northwest quarter. At 6 a.m., Super Typhoon Shaola was centered about 250 km east-southeast of Hong Kong, which is near 21.6 degrees north, 116.5 degrees east, and is forecast to move west-northwest at about 10 km per hour towards the coast of eastern Guangdong. Shaola has a well-defined eye wall and compact circulation. As Shaola continues to edge closer to Hong Kong, the weather will deteriorate rapidly later today. There will be heavy squally showers and violent winds. The gale or storm signal number 8 will remain in force for most of today. According to the present forecast track, Shaola will be rather close to Hong Kong tonight and tomorrow morning, skirting within 100 kilometers south of Hong Kong. Depending on changes in local winds, the observatory will consider the need to issue higher tropical cyclone warning signals. Under the influence of storm surge, water level in low-lying coastal areas will rise rapidly tonight. There may be serious flooding. Seas will be high with swells. Members of the public are advised to stay away from the shoreline and not to engage in water sports. Please listen to Radio Television Hong Kong on the radio in every hours at 15, 30, 45 and o'clock for the latest weather information broadcast. And that's all for the typhoon update.
呢一節風暴消息報導完畢。